Next thing I want to talk about is auto summary, and for that I need to add some loopback interfaces to my routers. Go to each router and add a loopback interface, and I'm going to put those interfaces in one major network. For example, in network class A, B, or anything else, that they are going to be in one major network. I go to interface loopback 0 configuration, and I add IP address, for example 110, and for example 111. This is going to be the network, and 255, 255, 255, 0. And I add this to router Eigrp process. I add network 110, 111, 0000 to this process. Now I have this. Let's go to router 2 and add the loopback interface. I add IP interface, IP address, of course, 110, 122, and 255, 255, 255, 0. I go to router Eigrp 100 and network 122 to Eigrp process. Let's go to router 3. Interface loopback 0 is going to have IP address 110.133, 24-bit mask. And under router Eigrp 100 I add this, and let's do the same on switch 1. IP address 110.155, 24-bit mask. Router Eigrp 100 is going to have this network, and under switch 2, interface loopback 0, IP address 110.166, 24-bit mask. And router Eigrp 100 is going to have this network. And now I have every interface under router Eigrp. Let's go to router 1 and see the routing table. Showing IP route will tell me that I know about the subnets, but I only have one summary to reach the loopback interfaces. Of course, I have full network of my own loopback interface, and I can ping my own loopback interface because this is connected. I cannot ping, for example, switch 2's loopback interface because I do not know anything about that. And you can see that this is one major network that is summarized to just one, summary here. So to correct this, I add auto summary to my router process, and you can see that the adjacency is changing. Of course, no auto summary. I should remove the auto summary feature, and you can see the adjacencies are changing. And I type in this here, 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 and here. And now let's see what are in IP routing table in router 1. You can see that now I know about every network, and if I try to ping one, for example router 3's, I will be able to do that. If I want to go to switch 2, this is quite possible, and every interface is available here using the auto summary feature. Okay, now you know about auto summary. Let's go to the next section. I am going to talk about frame relay, and for that in next section I'm going to configure frame relay cloud first.